Introducing BeSoSTRONG, one of the SHD smart effects with character. Life gets rough sometimes, and your clothes should keep up. From skaters perfecting tricks, to kids tumbling on the playground, or trekkers on rugged trails, your garments go through a lot. SHD offers an outstanding solution for that problem. With BeSoSTRONG, your clothes are more durable and stay comfortable and ready for action. BeSoSTRONG is free from formaldehyde, and since your clothes last longer, you replace less, which means less waste and a smarter choice for the planet. It gives your textiles extra strength, making them abrasion-resistant, washproof and longer-lasting. Visit shd.com/beso for more information about all the smart BeSo effects from SHD.